trading masterclass with tree trading setup. Friends, Japanese rice traders have been using candlesticks for over 400 years to create huge fortunes. A candlestick pattern in fact shows the change in trader psychology and high probability that trend is about to reverse. With passage of time and testing over the years, these candlesticks are now being used all over the world in almost all financial markets, including stocks, derivatives, forex, commodities, and many others. But fact of the matter is, most traders or investors think that candlesticks trading is hard and takes lots of time to master. Many even find it difficult to scan the candlestick patterns on their charts or are confused with which pattern to trade and which to leave. Because of these reasons only, most traders or investors end up belonging to any of these categories. They either invest based on their financial channel recommendations every morning and thinks that their analysts have done comprehensive research and their only goal is to make you rich. Or some traders even get membership of a stock recommendation company for their investment decisions. And lastly, there are some who take advice from their family members or friends who portray himself as a seasoned trader. But friends, this course will help you in achieving that key skill which will save you from landing in any of these categories. Friends, less practical knowledge of candlesticks is in fact one of the core reasons why 80% of the traders lose money and quit trading within first 2 years. And these are the people who tag markets as hub of gambling. So it's extremely important for you as an investor or trader to educate yourself and learn this language of market. Learning candlesticks becomes more important if you are new to the world of financial markets or trading. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you want to relocate to a different place which have a different language. Then for living there for a longer term, it's must for you that you try to learn the native language. The faster you learn, the more easier it will be for you to survive. Well, the same is true for financial markets as well. Candlesticks are in fact the language of financial markets, and it's must for you to master this in order to survive for longer term. This language will make you read what's going in the market by looking at the chart in few seconds. But unfortunately, if you don't learn this language, then your days will be numbered here. And you will also quit the market by saying same 3 words, that is, markets are casinos. But friends, this course designed for both new as well as experienced traders will teach you this important language called candlesticks from level 0 in a very simple, systematic and effective manner. In this course, you will learn a very effective technique called tree. Yes, it's tree with double R, to generate consistent profits from the market by using candlestick charting. I will take you from 0 to experience level in a step-by-step manner. So even if you have almost no knowledge of candlesticks, even then you can use this course to enhance your candlestick knowledge and thereby adding this important tool in your trading arsenal. Now let's see what you will learn in this course. We will start off with learning some candlesticks historical background. Friends, it will be short but interesting lecture. Then we will learn the candlestick designing. In this lecture, you will learn how candlesticks are formed and how charting is done. Then we will learn the life cycle of candle. In this lecture, you will learn the underlying market psychology behind formation of a candle. After this, you will learn the importance of various parts of candlesticks, that is, importance of wick, body, range and closing price. We will cover each part in different lectures and all these lectures will be pillars in understanding the price action behind candlestick charts. Friends, with this we are done with candlestick basics. After this, you will learn a very important concept in candlesticks, that is candlesticks math, or commonly known as candlestick blending. This concept is not covered by many instructors, but as a candlestick trader, you must know this. Now friends, most new traders are bombarded with peculiar candlesticks names initially and they end up messing all these patterns. So next I will explain you how to read any candlestick pattern without memorizing any pattern name. This will remove a lot of burden on new traders when we will learn different candlestick patterns. Next, you will learn fundamental candlestick types. Friends, most candlestick patterns are formed using these fundamental candlesticks only that we will discuss in this lecture. After this, I will lay the foundation of tree trading setup. Friends, the beauty of this setup is that it combines the basic candlestick patterns with Western technical analysis to generate some high probability, high successful trades. After laying the foundation of the setup, we will cover different candlestick patterns. First, we will cover single candlestick patterns. With each candlestick pattern, you will understand how to recognize them on your charts and also use them effectively as well as profitably using tree trading setup. Along with each pattern, you will also learn the underlying psychology behind their formation. Friends, single candlestick pattern will be followed by 2 and 3 candlestick patterns. Each candlestick pattern is discussed in separate lectures to make the concept clear. Friends, there are numerous candlestick patterns, but we will focus on the most common ones that occur frequently and the ones in which you can easily get your trades. Now friends, I will end this course with a very important question which most traders ask. That is, it's okay, I have learned all the candlestick psychology and all the patterns. But how can I search these in the market out of thousands of stocks and numerous currency pairs? Indeed, friends, this is a very important question which many instructors miss or have no answers. But this course will explain you the framework to search these patterns in the market. The process is simple and we will be using free tools only all through this course. So by the time you finish this course, you can look at any chart and read the market sentiments or psychology within few seconds. You will not require any stock or commodity or currency pair recommendations from the so-called TV channels or YouTube gurus or any investment company. You will have a list of stocks or currency pairs in your hands which are forming tradable setups. This course will in fact impart a new confidence and ability to find tradable stocks which have high probability of success, and also helps you to pull the trigger at the right place and at right time. The market will in fact look less chaotic to you, which will be contrary to what the news channels and many gurus show you. The knowledge gained in this course will put you way ahead of your fellow traders or investors. So friends, as a trader or investor, candlestick is one such tool that is must in your trading toolkit. So just enroll now and I will meet you again inside the course.